People watch this. Ding. That forest is pretty cool, isn't it? The thing is, yeah. So the thing is, we're only gonna focus on one of the aces. That's gonna be the ace of spades. What happened was, I went to see Dynamo the other day because he was doing a book signing in Waterstones in Bradford, and I said to him, Dynamo, can you sign this card, the ace of spades? And he goes, yeah, sure. So he signed it. There, look, to MagHishAn, respect Dynamo. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah. So he said because the card has two magicians' names on it, his and mine, because that makes the card slightly magical. And he said, try rubbing the signature off it. And I said, I can't really because you just signed it with permanent marker. So because you signed it with a Sharpie. He goes, seriously, look, remember it is a magical card, so you can kind of do anything with it. He goes, try rubbing it off. So I tried rubbing it off, and I was a bit skeptical. So I went like that and rubbed off, and I was all like, he goes, now throw it back on. So I just looked at him just kind of suspiciously, and then it jumped back on the card, the signature. I was shocked at this point, and he goes, watch this, something else. Put the card in the middle of the deck. So that's what I did. Put it in the middle of the deck. He goes, now square it up. Now wave your hand over the deck. Now I didn't think anything would happen, but the card actually just jumped to the top of the deck. Ace of spades. And now that was kind of shocking even for me as a magician. So I was like, how did that even happen? Because I was the one that held the deck. And he goes, no, remember I told you the card is magical. So I'll show you again. Put it in the middle of the deck. So I did. He goes, square it up. So I did. And he goes, now this time focus on the writing. Only the writing. I went, alright then, I'm focusing on it. He goes, now wave your hand over the deck. So I just did. And then the card just jumped to the top again. So now turn the card over. And there's a 10 of clubs. So the signature just literally just jumped cards from the ace of spades to the 10 of clubs. I thought that was pretty cool. He goes, and then I said to him, hold on, does that mean that the 10 of clubs is a magical card then? He goes, well actually, if you just put the 10 of clubs in the middle of the deck, wave your hand over it, and change it back to the ace of spades. So the ace of spades will always be the magical card in this deck. And that is the MagHishAn Dynamo card.